Hello everyone, welcome back to English Listening Room.
Today we will practice easy English in Nagano, Japan.
Nagano is famous for temples, castles, mountains, rivers, hot springs, snow monkeys, and soba noodles.
Haha, that sounds like a perfect trip for learning English.
Please listen slowly and read the subtitles.
You can also repeat after us.
Do not worry if you do not understand everything.
Just relax, enjoy Nagano, and learn little by little.
Let's begin. Hi, Paul. Welcome to Nagano City.
Thanks, Emily. The air feels fresh here.
You can say, the air feels fresh.
The air feels fresh.
Fresh means clean, new, and pleasant.
I am ready to explore Nagano.
Good. Let's start with Zenkoji Temple. Now we are visiting Zenkoji Temple.
This temple feels historic and peaceful.
Historic means important because of history.
This temple feels historic.
You can also say, this place is peaceful.
This place is peaceful. Haha, even my voice becomes quiet here.
That means the atmosphere is special. Next, let's visit Matsumoto Castle.
Wow, the Black Castle looks powerful.
Matsumoto Castle is famous for its beautiful black exterior. You can say, the castle has a powerful presence.
The castle has a powerful presence.
You can also say, the reflection in the water is beautiful.
The reflection in the water is beautiful.
Now, let's walk in Kamikochi.
The river is so clear.
You can say, the river is crystal clear.
The river is crystal clear.
Crystal clear means very clear and easy to see through.
The mountains are breathtaking. Haha, this place makes me forget my phone. Emily, I am hungry after walking.
Then we should try Nagano Soba.
Soba looks simple and delicious.
You can say, I'd like soba noodles, please.
I'd like soba noodles, please.
Texture means how food feels in your mouth.
The noodles have a nice texture. Haha, food English is always easy to remember.
Next, let's visit Jigokudani Monkey Park.
The snow monkeys are in the hot spring.
They look very relaxed.
The monkeys look relaxed.
Relaxed means calm and comfortable.
The steam makes the scene magical. Haha, they look more relaxed than I do.
Now, let's go to Hakuba.
The mountains look huge and beautiful.
Hakuba is famous for outdoor activities and mountain views. You can say, the mountains are majestic.
The mountains are majestic.
Majestic means grand, beautiful, and impressive.
I want to take many photos here.
Next, let's walk in Karuizawa.
This town feels elegant and relaxing.
Karuizawa is a popular resort area.
This cafe looks cozy.
Cozy means warm and comfortable.
Haha, I can study English better in a cozy cafe.
Nagano also has peaceful lakes and sacred forests.
Lake Suwa looks calm.
You can say the lake is calm.
The lake is calm.
Togakushi is famous for its shrine path and tall cedar trees.
The cedar trees look ancient.
You can also say, this path feels sacred.
This path feels sacred.
Now, let's review today's useful expressions.
The air feels fresh.
This place is peaceful.
The castle has a powerful presence.
The river is crystal clear.
I'd like soba noodles, please.
The monkeys look relaxed.
The mountains are majestic.
This path feels sacred. Today, we visited Nagano and practiced easy English.
We enjoyed Zenkoji Temple, Matsumoto Castle, Kamikochi, soba noodles, snow monkeys, Hakuba, Karuizawa, Lake Suwa, and Togakushi.
Nagano was fresh, peaceful, majestic, delicious, and full of beautiful nature.
Please listen again and repeat the phrases.
What place should we visit next?
Yamanashi, Niigata, Gifu, Toyama, or another place?
Please tell us in the comments.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching.
See you next time.
Bye!